What's really good? It's your boy Ace to the Boogie, and I'm coming to you with another review. Now you see we got a two-piece hat club special right here, man. Now I'm gonna give you a little hint on what's in the box. All I can say is birds of a feather flock together. You feel me? So yeah, you might have an idea what's in these boxes, man. But remember, I'm gonna unbox these and I'm gonna also give you an outfit idea, something that I might wear with these hats. Stay tuned.
Hat club got me dripping. Pink brim when you see me. Blue brim when you see me. Red brim when you see me. I'm litty, and I be holding down the city. I'm litty, I be holding down the city.
Welcome back, man. We got box number 1. I have my trusty box cutter, so you know what time it is, man. Slice it down the middle. You know what time it is, B. Peel back, gang, man. Ain't nothing changed. We gonna peel it back. Let's see what we got in here, man. This is box number 1. All right, we got packing slip. Ooh-wee. Okay. You see, we got the hat club pin. This is an exclusive. Come on, man. You see it. We got the St. Louis Cardinals. We got the Cardinals right here, man. This is the Spumoni. I believe it's Spumoni pack. You feel me? And to keep it 100, I didn't even know what Spumoni was or whatever until I saw this release from Hat Club. So I had to do a little research, man. Like, what is Spumoni? You feel me? And if I'm saying it wrong, man, let me know. Hit me in the comments, man. Let me know. Be like, Ace, you saying it totally different. But anyway, man. So Spumoni is like an ice cream, right? And or gelato, whatever you wanna call it. But it's basically 3 flavors. You got chocolate, pistachio, and cherry ice cream, like all blended together. So to me, it would be more equivalent to like a Neapolitan, which is chocolate, strawberry, and vanilla. But this is Spumoni, man. I'm gonna have to go ahead and try me some one day, man. But that's the inspiration for this hat. So let's get into the hat, man. We got the all brown hat. That's your brown base. So that's gonna represent your chocolate on this. We have the St. Louis Cardinal bird. This is the swinging bird right here. We have the bird, and he's in that pink, and he's representing that cherry. You feel me? Then, like I said, it's pistachio. Look at the side patch, man. This side patch is what got me right here, man. You get that green, that nice light minty type green, you know, that pistachio green with the gold hits in there. This is a hitter right here, man. So we got the 1964 World Series. You got the 2 birds, and that's what I meant when I said birds of a feather flock together. You know, this is still bird game, man. This is still Dipset, so don't get it twisted, man. You feel me? This is my first swinging bird Cardinal hat, and I'm not disappointed, man. It looks really good. You know, it's a nice chocolatey vibe. You feel me? We have the pink bottom right here. We have the price, which is $45, which is your standard price for these customs nowadays, man. Let's look at the back. We got the flat Batterman logo, and we get a little bit of that pink, and we get a little bit of that green back there. We have the all black sweatband. You feel me? I mean, this is just a really good hat, a good colorway. I mean, I don't really own a lot of brown hats, so when I saw that they were coming out with this, I definitely decided that I wanted to get my hands on one. And since I don't have any of this logo, St. Louis Cardinals, I said, let me go ahead and get my first swinging birds. You feel me? So yeah, man, let me go ahead and take this joint off. Let me throw this on. Oh yes, sir. Fit is good. Cause some of them hats, you know, sometimes the hats are a little baggy, man. The fit is good on this. Yeah, feels real good. Let me go ahead and give you what it is. Let me turn to the side, give you some of that side patch. Oh yeah, and you know what? Another thing, when you throw on this darker colored Hat Club pin on this, that's gonna coordinate too, man. So yeah, so let me go ahead and put something on so you can see what I would wear with a hat like this. So right here I have on the Spumoni Cardinals hat, you feel me, with the polo tee. Now, if you're familiar with polo, man, you probably remember when this tee dropped, man. So when I first copped this, I didn't have anything to wear with it, but I just knew the color combination was too unique to pass up, you feel me? So I grabbed this shirt. I've been having it on ice, and when I saw that this color collection, the Spumoni specials was coming out, I knew it was gonna be a hit, man. You feel me? So you know, you got the brown in the shirt, you got the pink in the shirt. You feel me? You see that pistachio green? You got a little bit of that. You feel me? So yeah, this is the combo, man. I mean, it's light. It seems heavy though, you know. It is what it is, man. It's an Ace Boogie special, man. Now, if you did cop this this hat, what are you wearing it with, man? Because there's no real like brown and pink jersey, you know, to match it up with. So, you know, drop something in the comments, man. Let me know what you are matching this up with, B. Because these are some unique colors, man. I was glad I had this shirt on deck, you feel me? But I'm looking for more. I can't just have a hat with one shirt to go with it, you feel me? So, yeah, let me know what you rocking, man, in the comments below. Let's get back to business. Let's go ahead and get into box number 2, man. We got box number 2 right here. Let me go ahead and, you know what it is, man. We gonna slice it down the middle. Peel it back. Hey, man, shout out to the peel back gang once again, man. We peeling it back. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Let's see. Okay, we got pack and slip. We got another exclusive right here, baby. We got another exclusive. We got the pin. Come on, man. Birds of a feather, B. Birds of a feather flock together. Say it with me. Come on now. So right here we have the St. Louis Cardinals. St. Louis Cardinals swinging bird. You heard? You feel me? But we got the 1964 side patch. Just look at the gold, man. Look at the gold on there. You already know when it comes to a side patch with a lot of gold, you know I'm on it. So we got that 1964 side patch, man. The gold is hitting crazy, man. We got the all navy. This is all navy right here. We got that red button top. You feel me? We got the red swinging bird. And see, you know what? Once I get a logo that I like to keep on going for it. So I was able to get this one. And then this came out, I feel like a couple days later. So I said, you know what? Out of all the colors that they dropping, they had some Rockies, and they had like 4 teams dropping. I had to go back to back swinging birds, man. Pink bottom right here, man. We got a pink bottom alert. You feel me? Sweatband, all black sweatband. Now, what's interesting on this one has no Batterman logo in the back. So you got no Batterman logo in the back of this one, man. You have that navy blue New Era flag right there. You know, it's tonal, so it's gonna blend in. It's not gonna stand out, you feel me? But this is just like a really clean hat, man. You got your all black sweatband, you got your Cooperstown, your New Era flag, you got your hat size right there, man. Nice red button top. Let me go ahead and take this joint off. Let's put this on. Let's see. Feels good. Feels good, feels great, man. Yeah, you can't go wrong with this, man. If you have any of the animal hats, I like to call them the animal hats because it has either like the bird, the snake, the tiger, like any of those hats, man. Even the J. You know, the Blue Jays is really my logo, man. But if you have any of those animal hats, man, tell me in the comments what's your favorite animal hat, B. Just drop that. Let me know, man. But anyway, let me give you some of this. Let me go ahead and turn it to the side. Give you some of that side pass shot. And you know I'm about to throw something on what I will bust with this hat. You know, what I will rock. What would make me feel kind of, you feel me, like that dude. You feel me? So stay tuned for that. So right here I have on the St. Louis swinging bird with the St. Louis jersey, man. You feel me? You already know if I get the hat in the team colors, I'm looking for the jersey first, B. That's like the base, you feel me? Now, when you have a navy and red hat, you got a lot of options, you feel me? But like I said, I always like to go jersey first if I get a team color hat. Now, if it's some way out different type colors, then I gotta go a way out different type of style. But for any type of team colors, you give me your basic team colors, B, I'm gonna grab me a jersey, or I already got a jersey that's gonna match up with it, you feel me? But yeah, so in this case, I went with the Cardinals jersey, you feel me? Team colors. It's like it was begging for it, you feel me? He's swinging the bat, man. It's like these birds, they in the on deck or something, you feel me? They cheering them on, you feel me? But this jersey right here, this is a Majestic, by the way. I'm not a big fan of like the cool base jerseys, but maybe I just gotta, you know, put my hands on more of them. But for me, I like that nostalgia, that throwback, that look of the old school Majestic jerseys, man. So I went ahead with Majestic with this, man. Go ahead, please give me a like, comment, subscribe to the video. Remember, I got more stuff coming. I got some more hats on the way. I got some sweatsuits. I'm getting into the sweatsuit swag, you feel me? So go ahead, stay tuned for those, man. But it's your boy H to the Boogie, and I'm out.